So one thing a lot of new traders fail to understand is that trading is a game of profits and losses. You make a lot of profits, you make some losses. All right. Now at the end of the month, if your profits are more than your losses, you are a profitable trader for that month. If at the end of the month your losses are more than your profits, you have made losses for that month. So inevitably there must be losses along the line. So you're a new trader, you're confused about what cryptos to buy, how to start trading. How do you go about this trading? In today's class, I'm going to show you how to grow your capital little by little as a new trader. All right. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm always telling you all of these things from my personal experiences and what I would do if I was a new trader to grow my very little capital. All right. So the next thing is that you'll find my phone on your screen, and of course this is another opportunity for you to learn a lot and a lot of things. Okay, so like I mentioned, we'll be using Bybit, and of course, like I said, trading is a game of profits and losses, which means you will make a lot of profits definitely, and you're going to also make losses along the line. So the strategy I'll be showing you today, it's not loss proof. Okay, but then we try as much as possible to make sure that you make more profits than the losses. All right, so if you're looking out for more cryptos to buy or new cryptos to buy as a beginner, you're going to come to this area where you find the search space on KuCoin. Most likely all crypto exchanges always have this kind of thing. Okay, you find cryptos here. For example, you can see layer. If you wait out some time, you see OM. If you wait out some time, you see IP. You wait out some time, you see G7. Okay, all of these cryptos are advertised cryptos by Bybit, and definitely they will be seen by thousands of people, and it will make them also buy that crypto. So if you're a new trader, you're looking to start trading, then this strategy is for you. Now let's check out all of this crypto one after the other. Okay, so let's start from G7. You can see crypto G7 is already here. Just type in G and you type in 7. Okay, now you can see G7 is what we found there. G7 is one of the cryptos there. You can see G7 has already done 30% in the last 24 hours. This is amazing because I mean a lot of people will be buying it because it's already been advertised there, which means assuming you bought G7 as at yesterday, you'd have grown your profit or your capital up to 30%. If you click on G7, then you can find this is likely a new crypto. I'm going to go on the 4-hour time frame. You can see the price of the crypto is actually going up, and this is solely because it is being advertised on the Bybit search space. You can use the Bybit search space like I showed you to find very profitable cryptos that you can buy. Now you can see you could have bought it at this point. Okay, maybe it has been showing for the past 6-7 days on that search area. You could have bought it at this point, and of course you'd have made consistent profit every single day until today. That means you'd have been profiting every 4 hours because we are on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so this is a particular good strategy that anybody can actually use, and trust me, 30% in the last 24 hours is a very good very good deal. All right, so let's check out for other cryptos that have been advertised there. You can find, apart from G7, we can still see AVL. You can see AVL is there, so let's type AVL. Checking out on AVL. AVL on its own has done 16%, and this is because, like I mentioned, it is advertised on the Bybit search space. As a new trader on Bybit or crypto, you're looking for what to buy, this is an opportunity that you can actually still use. There are other sophisticated ones, but this one is just so easy, and of course more like a recommended crypto that is trending. Call it trending hot cryptos. Now you can see in the 4-hour time frame it has been doing well also. You can see there are a couple of green candles, and as when you've purchased for some time, you would have earned good profit. If you come on the 1-hour time frame, you will be able to see it clearly that it has been going on an uptrend. Maybe they started recommending AVL just recently, and it has done 17% in the last 24 hours. By the end of this class, I will show you how to do your profit management to make sure that you are always safe.
Okay, because most times you are trading, yeah, you want profit, you want plenty profit, but then you have to do what they call profit and loss management, so that in a worst case scenario, you get your capital back. All right, that is exactly what I want to let you know. Then let's get straight to the next one. After AVL, we can find that there is still DIAM, DIAM. So let's go to DIAM. Now this strategy doesn't work all the time, but for the large percent of the time, all the recommended cryptos might be profitable for you. DIAM here has done 2% in the last 24 hours, so I suspect it has just been promoted just recently. So this is just very early, I think, very early in profit, and you can see it is all just starting out. Go on 4 hour time frame, you can see that it is still starting out, but then 2% in the last 24 hours is a little bit good. Now I've talked about three cryptos, so let's make it about let's check out another one. If you are looking for where I'm seeing these cryptos from, you can find it here. So let's check out layer. Okay, let's look out for layer. Okay, I saw layer there. So layer is here. You can see layer has done around 4.78%, and this is actually still nice. 4.78%. You can see the price has been on an uptrend, but let me put it on the 1 day time frame. You can see the 1 day time frame showing green candles at the end. 4 hours time frame still nice. 1 hour time frame still okay, but I think I prefer the 4 hour time frame. Now, guys, we have talked about four cryptos that have been advertised there on the Bybit recommended space, and of course, you can go check it out. Now, you can see OM is there, IP is also here. You can still come back see G7, which we have talked about. You can still come here and you find AVL. So every day, it's the cryptos might change for the next few days. So you might not see this same crypto the next day. You might still see it the next day. All right. But then as a new trader, when I got started on crypto trading, this is how I got my recommended cryptos. Now the thing is that every crypto Bybit recommends here are gonna be recommended as a more like a trending crypto. That is what is trending. That's why you can see some fire sign here, which means hot. People are actually buying. And even though it's not hot, because Bybit has put it here, thousands of people will be seeing it around the world, and that will make that crypto have a buy action, and then it will start making profit for a lot of people. Now, you can also check it out and it's in a loss. All right. Now, this is the reason why it might be in a loss. It might be in a loss because Bybit just recently started recommending it. So if you give it some few days, it will get into profit. All right. It might also be in a loss because Bybit has been recommending it for a lot of time, for a very long time, and it's getting towards the end. People now want to sell. Those are the two reasons why you can check up a crypto from on the recommended space and it's in the loss. Okay. Now, talking about the profit management, how do you manage your profit? If you have a capital of 50 USDT, how do you manage your profits so that how do you manage your capital so that you will not get into total losses? Okay. Now there are more than five cryptos that will be recommended every time on this search space. So I will recommend you can I will actually say you can buy with 10 USDT each of them. You can spread your capital along with five cryptos. So which means crypto OM you buy with 10 USDT, crypto IP you can buy with 10, crypto G7 buy with 10, crypto AVL buy with 10. Don't spend all your monies on one crypto. Don't buy one crypto with 50 USDT. You can actually use 100 and spread it with 20 USDT into 5. You can use 50 and spread it into with 10 USDT into 5. That is profit and risk management. Now that is because at the end of the 24 hours or even maybe 48 hours, 2 or 3 days, if only three cryptos that you purchased have done profit. For example, you can see we saw 16% profit, we saw 30% profit, we saw 7%, we saw 2%. If only three of them has entered into profit, they can give you back your capital. Okay, they can give you back your capital. If three of the cryptos are in profit, they give you back your capital. The remaining two that are in losses or that are in losses, maybe we are just guessing that might be in losses, will be your profit. I'm going to give you an example. Let's say I've checked here and I saw five cryptos. I want to buy all of them with 10 USDT, just like I've said. You buy 10, 10, 10, 10. At the end of the day, let's say unfortunately after 2 or 3 days, I want to withdraw my monies and three cryptos are in profit. Those three cryptos, if I withdraw them, maybe I have three cryptos in profit and two in losses. Those three cryptos, let's say the first one I bought with 10 USDT has done 13 USDT. The second one I bought with 10 USDT has done 12. Third one has done, 18 or something. Those three cryptos will give me back my 50 USDT, or let's say 45 USDT out of the possible 30. Okay. Now, the remaining two cryptos that are in losses would now, if I add them to the ones I've withdrawn, I will be able to get a little bit profit from it. So if three cryptos are in profit and two are in losses and you withdraw everything, you end up getting, let's say, 53 or 54 USDT, or maybe sometimes 51 or 52, because smaller capital you're using, smaller profits. All right. That is exactly what profit management means. Don't spend everything on one crypto. You have to spread along five of them, because you will end up, you don't know the particular one that will end up going so big, and you don't know the particular one that can actually go down. So guys, this will be the end of this class. I'm bringing this up because a lot of new traders might want to learn how to trade, and of course you don't know what to buy, you don't know what to do, or you want to do it by yourself, but you don't know where to get your recommendations. You can do this on Bybit. Of course, I'm going to do another class on Binance, which you can also find there, and of course do all of these things. Now, do have a very wonderful day, guys. Don't forget, I am not your financial advisor. I'm only letting you know things that I've done I've done all of these things, and of course, I've made profit, little bit profit, and that is how you can grow from 50 to 51 to 52, 2 USDT in maybe like 2 days, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and before you know it, you have grown your capital steadily. All right. Now, like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, there will be losses, but the thing is that at the end of the month, your profits are more than the losses. It means you are a profitable trader. All right. So this will be the end of this class, guys, and definitely I'll see you on the next one tomorrow.